yeah, they said they're gonna merge the server, right? They said they're gonna merge the world. You know, new world like developer, by the way, right there. So they said they're gonna merge the worlds in the thing. What's the name? The announcement basically last week. So, but then worlds in like a new world is server. It's basically server like a merge, not region merge. So if you think you're gonna get region merge, you're not. The technology is not there, and it's already like replied by like Rocks as well actually. So yeah, let's move to the Rocks reply then. It was 69, I think. But yeah, anyways, let's go, guys. It is Ding Dong React time right here. Yelvis, thank you for the follow, man. Welcome. Okay, let's go, guys. Ding Dong got food, and now it's Ding Dong React time. Let's go. React time. Let's go right here. We're going through smaller topics today. Just smaller topics, but a lot of them right here. So yeah, first of all, is this one, the Vykas typing test timer. So yeah. So let's read this on this one. Find the typing test really hard to do. There could be some people like me who really suck and typing out things in less than 3 seconds. First of all, if it's under 3 seconds, you fucked up the gauge already. You're not at 0 gauge, right? That's first of all, right? That's the first thing. If it's under 3 seconds, because it's 4 seconds or 1 second if you like have gauge, right? So I don't know what it is, man. But I mean, like, if it's like 1 second, you fucked up. I mean, like, you're expected to fail at that point anyway. So yeah. And then why make it so? Give me a 5-second window at least. Well, they already give you 4 seconds, so that's good enough to be honest. That's the compromise, right? 4 seconds. So yeah, mechanics, etc. is fine. The type test is a real bummer. So there is that right here. So the thing about it is, okay, first of all, there is this typing practice, right? There is this typing practice first as well. So you can practice over there. But it seems like from what I've heard, right, from some people don't like the typing mechanic. I don't know. See, yeah, like here, type test is a bad mechanics, man. It should be removed altogether. I don't know, man. I think like typing test is a typing mechanic is not the issue. I think it's not random. That makes it easy right there. It should be random. Luckily in Belshazzar Phase 5, there is a random typing mechanic that just happens like boom. You get jailed. Now you have to type it. So yeah, I don't know. Wasn't Seto largest and probably with quite a timer? Hard Seto is harder than Vykas, yes. Because Vykas, you know it's coming. You don't know about Seto, right? Seto just went up into the ball, then suddenly you get like basically like an 8 to 9 string that you have to do, or else like you blew up, right? So yeah, in Vykas, you know it's 135 bar. You lower the gauge, you prepare it, and it's not even a real typing test. It's ASD and QWE. That's it. So yeah. Love typing mechanics in Seto. I was waiting to do it more often. I like it as well. When I got it on Seto, I thought it was a fun mechanic. So yeah, I was terrible at that, and now I never fail. I don't know. Typing is not a mechanism; it's a 1 cent idea. So, and then this is said by the person that couldn't do it. This is the OP, by the way. This is the one that made the thread right there. You know, 1 cent mechanic by the person that cannot do it. I mean, if you think that like, man, dude, it's easy, man, I can do it with 1 second. Whatever, it's a 1 cent idea. Sure, maybe. But yeah, typing test one of my favorite mechanic. I think it just give a new flavor. I actually like it personally. I get that people might not like it, but yeah, I like it personally. Maybe they like too much to the background animation. Can you not press keys in a specific sequence within a certain amount of time? Well, some people type like this, Proxy. What can you do? And it's not their fault, and besides, if you fail it, you don't get killed anyway. If enough people fail it and you die, then yeah, I mean, like, at that point, it's not just your fault, everyone is. Typing mech is easy though, not for everyone, JC. For me, I think it's easy, yeah. But I mean, like, not for everyone. But I mean, like, 4 second window to do this is easy enough. Like, all you need to do is just, like, type it slowly. You don't need to be fast, you know. If you fast and you fail it, then yeah, sure. But I mean, like, you know, you can just slow down and do it, man. It's 4 seconds, 4 whole seconds. So yeah, I don't know. Felt really, but really easy typing mechanic, and hard, well, a little bit more harder. Hard and normal has the same typing mechanic, Taka. It's not changed. It's the same. So yeah, maybe you got a different variation that is like harder, maybe, you know. Even if you use one finger, you should be able to do the Vykas one. Well, I don't know. But yeah, typing with two hands, Hell typing mode right there. Yeah, imagine Hell Vykas, the typing is the whole keyboard. Ooh, that's nice right there. I want it actually. Yeah, it's only 6 letters, so it's not even like a real typing test. But yeah, Hell mode typing is the same as well. Hell mode typing is unchanged. So yeah, there is a lack of like new mechanics in like Vykas Hell actually, which is like kind of like not exactly like, you know, super fun or anything, but I mean like it's still there. You know, there are like some like extra mechanic. 4 whole second, that's more than 3. Well, I don't know, I'm not sure about this guy, but this guy says it's less than 3 seconds, so I would assume this guy just failed the red orb. Like he has gauge basically entering the mechanic, and it has 1 second. So yeah, they say it the letter as they typed it to help out. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do it right there. EUS, the hardest task. So what about dead ass, man? Dead ass. Yeah. Typing mech is fun. Maybe they will add something else like the mini game from trade skill or something. That would be interesting. Didn't you see me like tell you? Like I showed you what's coming this year. Potentially this year, the side game basically. Even there is a typing mechanic over there, right? I showed you once. I don't know if you guys you guys remember. Let me try to find it, I guess. I think it's called MOD, right? Ah, shit. Okay, it should be this one right here. There we go. Yeah, it's this one right here. So we're looking for like the typing mechanic one. So it's the Loop of the Abyss. Here we go. Is this one? This is the one that I'm most excited about for this. So yeah, that's what I want right there. This one is nice though. If this is implemented, this could be your like practice for Vykas. You know? I don't know. I think it's pretty interesting for that. Who's that bot top left? Well, I don't know. I'm just thinking that like, I don't know. This is just like the thing that was supposed to be like this year. But yeah. 7 times same letter at Vykas. Did you check this typing in Vykas? Could happen, yeah. It could happen. So yeah, so would you complain? What is this, curry, man? That's it, bro. You shouldn't be able to get like 7 times the same letter. But the chance is there though. It could happen, but I don't know. But that's it, am I right? That's it. That's it, that's it. Anyways, it doesn't matter. This is how it goes right here. So it's pretty funny, I guess I would say. But in my opinion, I think like its typing test is a fun mechanic, I would say. I think it's a fun mechanic. Temporary event or permanent? No, that's a permanent side content. It's basically they intend to expand horizontally, and that's what that's what their ideas are. So yeah, Mario Party is there. It's not cancelled. No, it's there as well. But yeah, same possibility as I hone my weapon. But yeah, anyway, let's move on. Let's move on to the next topic right there. It is fine, but I don't need to take damage because someone fucked up. So it will be better if they, for example, give 10 letters. If you get 5 wrong, you get 50% off of your HP. I don't know. I mean, like it's a raid for 8 man, not a solo raid. If someone fucks up, the whole raid suffers with it. You know, it's a ship basically. It's a ship. Albeit a sinking one, sure, because like one guy is Pepega, I guess. Yeah, a sinking ship right there. But when you're a sinking ship, you all sink together. It's a raid, you know, not a solo raid. So, well, anyways, yeah. Anyways. Let's go then. Let's move on right here. Not cancelled yet. Alright, anyways, the next one right here. This is by Mickey right here. It's like, I saw this one time. Suggestion for like basically, like a Hell-mode Guardian basically. It's the Nightmare Guardian. So, yeah. But I mean, like Velganos Hell-mode, it's there already. People are not aware of this because you're an AU player, right? But in the older ones, there is like a Hell-mode for Velganos, Ashates, Kalaligos, and what's the last one? Igrexion. Igrexion has a Hell-mode as well. So yeah, I think people like don't know. Hell-mode Velganos right there. I'd rather do Hellton every week. Hell-mode Velganos is basically just the Guardian, right? The map is the same though, so that's already Hell. First of all, you fight him in Hell, and then the boss is basically Hell-mode as well. To be honest, it's not like a lot of things. It's just like it's just the same Guardian basically, but then like you're equalized and you have like this engraving and everything. The difference is like, for example, Velganos Hell-mode. I remember this. The pizza can turn around. You know, the pizza turns one way, right? He can turn around. He can go back basically. He can go back for that. So that's like one of the main difference of like the pizza. The pizza can turn around. So normally you just go one direction and then suddenly like it goes back and you're just like, oh shit. So yeah, most people can't clear without help. You never seen them? Yeah, I mean like you're not like not one of the older player, Tyra. But Hell-mode like Velganos was there already. So yeah, what does Hell-mode for Guardian though? It's literally just like title. It's the same with like Hell-mode. Like right now in Korea we have Ashates for that. This one right here. So yeah, and of course there is leaderboard in the Hell-mode. The first clear and also the fastest clear. So yeah, this person Yoshio right here. This person is the first, world first Hell Clown. This person right here. So it is Gun Lancer. But yeah, and it's equalized, right? That's why you see like someone with like a 460 War Dancer. So yeah, fastest clear. But yeah, that's basically how it goes right there. So yep. How do you know when it turns? Nah, there is like an animation. There is an animation. So basically he does the pizza turns right, and then he stops for a bit. That means he's gonna turn back basically. Then you run back. But you need to understand that you can't just follow people. So yeah, when the challenges one came to our server, was like a bit disappointed because it was more easy than the normal one. Oh, challenge guardian is a different thing, because challenge guardian, like for example, if it's like let's say the older guardian, right, which is what they are right now, they're balanced around like you not having engraving. So whenever you do it, it's so easy because you have like 4x3, 5x3. But Hell challenge like Guardian is a different thing. So yeah. Didn't they announce some Hell Guardian raid on Loaon? Nah, they updated basically. They rotated. It's Ashates right now, right? They're gonna rotate it to Kalaligos. So yeah. Taka, thank you for the prime sub, man. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Blue or red? We don't know. They don't like specify the gear. So yeah. What reward do we get from Hell Guardian? Just a title. Just a title. The fastest clear and also like the first clear has like an icon on the title. The rest only has a orange title. That's it basically. Not an icon on it. Glavier wasn't first. Surprise. Yeah. I don't know. That's basically what it is right here. It's an interesting suggestion, but it's already there. People are just not aware of it. It's a fun way to make like a Guardian like a bit more interesting, I guess. Even though like Guardian is a daily thing, but Hell-mode is a different thing, like it's a challenge. So yeah. How often do they rotate Hell Guardians? So long. Like Ashates has been there for like more than a year at this point. So yeah, I don't know why it takes them so long. I wish that they just like add it and then just keep it there rather than rotating it. Well, I guess we'll find out. So yeah, finals patch will be released soon today. No, will be released next week. Next reset, I mean. Hate this streamer's voice. Yeah, well, suck a dick, X. Can be done many times as you want. Yeah, of course. There is no limitation behind it. So, yeah. Velganos is never interesting and never will be. I think Velganos is interesting. I think Velganos design is good. Its map design is dog shit, though. That's the thing. So, yeah, if you fight Velganos in, like, I don't know, in, like, the Yoho Arena, nice. In, like, maybe like Hanumatan Arena. Nah, Hanumatan Arena is like has like a lot of walls as well. Basically, it's the map that is like annoying. Map is the bullshit one. Velganos in the thing is like one of like the most fair Guardian, I think. Minus the light buff, you know, fighting for light buff. So I don't know. Anyways, let's move on. That's the Hell-mode like thing right here. So yeah, now we move on into the merging here, the US and EU Central. So yeah, because people were like lately there are like more and more concern about like US being like you know starting to die out basically. So yeah, Velganos best Guardian. First Guardian introduce you to avoid stuff and pizza mech. I actually like Hanumatan better, Tyra. But this is personal, of course. So yeah, the merch mech, yeah. US dead as fuck. I don't think it's dead as fuck. I think people are like taking it like, you know, exaggerating it. But it is one of the deadest server compared to like the other one. So yeah, does KR have server transfer? Not as a base setup, not as a base feature. So yeah, they said they're gonna merge the server, right? They said they're gonna merge the world. You know, new world like developer, by the way, right there. So they said they're gonna merge the worlds in the in the thing. What's the name? The announcement basically last week. So, but then worlds in like a new world is server. It's basically server like a merge, not region merge. So if you think you're gonna get region merge, you're not. The technology is not there, and it's already like replied by like Rocks as well actually. So yeah, let's move to the Rocks reply then. It was 69 I think, 69. There we go. Yeah, it's this one right here. So yeah, this is by Rocks right here. This is Rocks' reply. So yeah, I'm on EU West. Last time I checked, there are photos of Death Blow regularly on the market. That's like that's like class engraving problem. That like all servers are similar in that way. Of course, it's more dead in EUS, but all servers are having the same thing. So yeah, how dare they? What is that? Technology exists 30 years ago. They just don't want to code and test it. No, they didn't make the server structure for that, Zumo. Here is the thing, right? You know, all region doesn't have this multi-region thing, because like Korea one region, Russia one region, and then like Japan one region. They didn't like make it in the expectation that they would have multiple regions like the one that we have in NAEU. So they weren't thinking that it's needed as well. So yeah. I mean, it's just a database, then you would have been the best developer in the world, isn't it, man? You could have just solved all of this problem, just done. Maybe you should like apply to Smilegate, maybe. I don't know. Okay. But my point was to know where goes the mech. Okay, well, we're not gonna... Yeah, we're gonna ignore the one. Seems like you can fix it. Well, I mean, like, it's not AGS. The one that can fix it is Smilegate. Will Smilegate do it? Doubt it, probably. Doubt it. Can they do it? Probably they can. Will they do it? Probably not. Because like Korea, Japan, and like Russia are not like that. I don't think they will do it. I don't think like they will what's the name? Put their resources just to do that. I don't think so. So yeah. I mean, if they merge NA West and NA East, the simple fact of duplicate names would be ridiculously difficult to manage. Well, I mean, like, you know, duplicate name is one thing and all of those stuff. But that's basically it's right there. But yeah, but anyways, I mean, like, this is like the reply right here. I understand the desire for this, but the tag for region merges and integration does not exist at this point of time. At this point in time, and cannot be created instantly or even quickly. So that's on Smilegate, by the way. So yeah, server merges alone are a significant undertaking in terms of time and resource to accomplish. We're currently set to do them in September and have already started working on them behind the scenes in July. Region merges don't exist for Lost Ark yet, so between developing, implementing, and using all that tech, it's not something that can be on the table right now. So don't expect it to be like there basically. Not saying it's not not saying it's impossible. I think it's possible, but I just don't think they will do it. So yeah. I just don't think they will do it. Who had the idea in the first place to open new region instead of new server? Because like they already opened all the server. We already went through this, man. They already opened all the server. They can't open anymore. So they just like make like a new region. Because people were complaining, unga bunga. They don't want to sit in queue. I told everyone, just sit in queue in EU Central and wait for it. But then everyone just moves on to the EU West. And you know for a fact EU West will be less populated, not when everyone already start in EU Central. So technically you did that to yourself. It's not entirely your fault, but you ended up in EU West anyway. So yeah, at some point they will need to do something with EU West. Yeah, they can abandon it. I don't know. Unga bunga, unga bunga. Doesn't seem that putting effort into merging EU West would give enough monetary return. That's the thing, yeah. I don't think like they would do it because like for what? You know, for like one server in an A version that is not even like, you know. Well, I don't know. I guess you guys call it the main server. Am I right, boys? Am I right? Am I right? But yeah, I don't know. That's basically how it goes right there. Just got 893 stone after 20k peons. I don't know what hurts more, the cost or the fact that it's a PvP stone. Why did you try it on a PvP stone? I mean, you did that to yourself, so... But yeah, I don't know. That's basically how it is. So if you're in EUS right now, honestly, man, if you're waiting for a region merge, don't expect it to be there. I just don't think it will be there. I think if you really like tilted on like a US market, all you can do is basically reroll to EU Central. There is Power Pass and event and stuff like that that can help you. But that's basically how it is. Do I think EUS will die? I don't think EUS will die. I think EUS is basically gonna be a Russia 2.0. But then again, you guys are doing Russian stuff anyway, so it's the same shit anyway. It's basically like the least populated region. And I mean, like, there is always gonna be the least populated region. Even if the game is like alive and everything, have like a million of player right there, the least like played region, people will complain that like this region is dead anyway. So yeah, that's basically how it is there. If you're on EUS, restart on EU Central or quit. Honestly, I mean, I wouldn't say that. I think like EUS can still play just fine. So yeah, I mean, like, Russia survives just fine with like basically, I don't know, a village as the player base. EUS will be fine. Will it be great? No, not really, but it will survive just fine. It won't be thriving though. So yeah, a village, yeah, just a whole village as the population of the Russia right there. So yeah, Russia also has 2 servers and half of the player there are Chinese, yeah, and Japan has 1 server only. Only 1 server. How sad that is. So yeah, NA is doing good. NA East and NA West and also like EU Central is doing well. So yeah, South America is like under them, but is doing pretty okay as well. And EUS is basically the least populated one. So yeah, doesn't US have like 500 server though? At the start, yeah, but they're gonna like merge it. So yeah. Can't leave all friends from there. Good luck to me. I guess nah, you'll be fine, Jambes. I keep telling you, man. US will be fine. It won't be thriving, but it will survive just fine. But yeah, anyways, that's like the thing right here. That's the thing right there. That's the US and EU Central and everything. So yeah, that's basically how it goes. That's the part of it right there. South America is 1 server too. Yep. But yeah, this is like EU West right now. For people that play in EU West, if you don't have any friends or anything, maybe reroll to EU Central probably, or just keep playing in EU West and you'll be fine. That's basically the way it is. But I don't think you should expect a region merge to happen. So yeah, that's basically what I'm saying right now. So yeah, the reason why many EU West players stayed there for so long is because Rox kept saying that a merge will happen without specifying if region or server merge, even if directly us. So basically debating us up until now. I don't think like Rox really ever said that. And whenever they said like a merge will happen, I mean like Rox probably doesn't even know about region merge or anything until you actually specify it. So yeah, I don't really think like it's their fault per se as well. But I mean like it just won't happen anyway, because even if like let's say like they Rox knows, I mean Rox tells you that basically it's not there anyway, right? So yeah, basically. But yeah, anyways, I don't know. That's basically the situation in the US right now. Well, anyways, this is how it goes right now. Well, let's move on, boys. Let's move on. It is time to move on. It's Ding Dong React over. But yeah, anyways. Let's move on.